All right, so we are going to multiply and divide the rational expression. So we have um, x to the fourth power over um, x plus 7 divided by x squared over x squared plus 14x plus 49. So we can look at this as division, dividing this by this one. So we're going to divide this expression by this expression. So in order to do that, when we're dividing expressions like these, we can look at it as dividing fractions. And the rule for dividing fractions is keep, change, change. So how do we do that? We keep this one, we change this to multiplication, and we change the order of this. We move this to the numerator and this to the denominator. I'm going to show you how it looks like. So we have x to the fourth over x plus 7, right? And then you keep this, you change the sign. This is division, you change it to multiplication. Times, keep, change. Now we change the order of this. So we put the denominator in the numerator and the numerator in the denominator. So it's going to be times x squared plus 14x plus 49 over x squared, right? Right? Just like that. Keep, change, change. So now we can factor to cancel some common terms. So we can factor this, and we can factor an x squared out of that. So it's going to look like this: x squared times x squared over x plus 7. Because x squared plus x squared gives us x to the fourth. And we can also factor this. We can factor it, and when we factor, it's going to become x plus 7 times x plus 7 over x squared. Just like that. So how did this factor into this? If you multiply these two together, you're going to get this. Just like that. I'll show you right now, real quick. So it's x plus 7 times x plus 7. So x times x is x squared. We have an x squared. 7 times x is 7x. And then x times 7 is also 7x. 7 times 7 is 49. Combine these two together, it's 14x. X squared plus 14x plus 49. This gives us this. So now you see where I got that from. So going back to this part of the problem, we can cancel out the x squared from this and the x squared from this, because we factored the x squared out of this, and we can cancel them out. So now we have x squared multiplied by x plus 7 multiplied by x plus 7 over x plus 7. Just like how we did with canceling like terms, we can go ahead and do this right here. We see that we have an x plus 7 in the denominator and an x plus 7 in the numerator. So knowing that, we can do that. We can cancel them out. So now we're only left with, in the numerator, x squared times x plus 7. That's what we're left with. So now we use the distributive property to multiply x squared by x and x squared by 7. Distributive property. So hopefully I spelled that right, distributive property. So x squared times x is going to give us 2x to the third, plus x squared plus 7 gives us 7x squared. So it's x to the third plus 7x squared. And that's going to be our answer to this. Just like that.